Hey friends, it's Miss Harmon, and today I am hoping that you will join me for a super fun and quick science experiment. So the topic of the day is going to be chemical reactions. Now, that is a big sciencey word to describe something that you guys actually see happen every day. A chemical reaction happens when you put two ingredients together and then something changes. So you've probably seen your parents cooking or baking in the kitchen, and when they mix those ingredients together, they're actually making a chemical reaction occur. So I'm sure you guys know what this is. So this is a bath bomb that I got at Target. It smells super good, and we are actually going to drop this bath bomb in water, and we're gonna see what kind of chemical reaction will occur. So you see here that I have my bowl of water and I have my bath bomb. Now, when I put my bath bomb into my bowl of water, we are going to watch a chemical reaction occur. So here I go. Do you see what's happening? You see how it starts fizzing? So the bath bomb is made of citric acid and baking soda. And when those two things mix together with water, a chemical reaction occurs. You can see that there are fizzy bubbles everywhere. You can hear it. You can hear it popping. And you can also smell it. Well, you can't smell it, but I can smell it. And it smells delicious. Okay, so now that we watched our bath bomb fizzle, and you can probably, maybe you can still hear it fizzling in the background. It is over on the counter. But now that we have done that with our bath bomb, I want to do a chemical reaction with ingredients that you can find around your house. So for this experiment, you are going to need baking soda. Oops. You are going to need a pan. I got an old pan. Doesn't have to be big. It can just be a normal pan. And you are going to need food coloring. So I have pink, purple, green, I have red, I've got yellow, and I've also got blue. So those are my food coloring colors. All right, so now I've also got, let me just show you the jug. This is distilled white vinegar. I don't think it matters what vinegar you have, so any vinegar that you have at your house will work. So I put this vinegar in this white cup, just so, you know, I wouldn't make a big mess. So let's get started. All right, friends, so here we are, and we are going to start. So I'm gonna take my baking soda, and I'm going to spread it generously on my pan here. All right, so we're gonna spread that generously. Okay, make sure you have mommy and daddy help you so you don't make a mess, but a mess is okay. So I'm gonna kind of like mix that around. All right. So we've got our baking sheet that is filled with baking soda. All right, so we're done with that. So next, we are going to take any of these food colorings that we want, and we are gonna drop it onto our white baking soda. All right, so I'm gonna choose pink because pink's a good color. And you are going to drop as many little drops as you want. Ooh, it's coming out fast. Make sure to kind of press it a little gently so it doesn't all come out at once. So there's my pink, kind of looks red, but once we add some more stuff, it'll look pink at the end. I'm gonna do purple. That's another solid color. Okay, I'm gonna do some green. Ooh, that came out fast. All right, we're gonna top it off with some blue. Well, I feel bad because these colors are left out. So we're gonna add some yellow too. This is gonna be beautiful. Make sure to spread as much color as you want because that is your business. And it's going to look beautiful in the end. One more color to add. Oh geez, this one's hard. Oh geez. Okay, I finally got that off. And we're gonna put some red. All right, and that looks gorgeous. All right, so now we have finished with our colors, and we are going to start adding some of our distilled white vinegar. So I'm using a teaspoon just because it's kind of small and I can kind of control how much I'm putting in there. So I'm gonna use this teaspoon and get a little bit of white vinegar. We're gonna watch what happens. It's looking cool. Oh man, do you guys hear that? When that white vinegar hits the baking soda, it's making a change happen. So a chemical reaction is happening. So we're still adding baking soda and you can see that these colors are looking awesome. So with this chemical reaction, you can see it, you can smell it, especially when it starts fizzing. Well, vinegar is pretty smelly anyways, but a lot of changes are happening right now. The way it looks, the way it smells, and the way it sounds. So that's how we know a chemical reaction is occurring. See? So I left my baking soda mixture to sit for a little bit, and this is kind of what it looks like. You see where I added too much baking soda, it kind of turns into this brown, or not too much baking soda, but too much vinegar, it kind of turns into this brown color. But you can really see these colors coming through, especially if you added a good amount of vinegar. And there you have it, with simple household ingredients, stuff that you can find in your cabinets and stuff. You can make a chemical reaction. You can be a scientist for a day. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I miss you guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys do your own experiments at home.